Letter. Dito ka lang, lapit ka dito. N.
X.
Nest is for nest.
Nest. May O is for orange.
Very good. Yan.
For avocado.
P is for
Avocado!
no, pear. Nakalagay. Pear ang tawag dyan.
Hindi! Hindi naman green yung piwa.
Pear yan. Nakalagay. Yung gagawin natin. Oh.
Hindi! Yung avocado ang green.
Ito, anong letter? Letter? Ano yung O? Tapos may buntot. Anong tawag dyan? Letter? Q.
Q is for
Quilt. Ito.
Well, is for flower.
Ano? Lakas mo.
Q
R.
I is for flowers.
Rose.
Rose.
Rose nga yun.
Again.
Anong letter?
Again.
Anong letter yun?
Ito niya.
Oh, S.
S is for sun.
Sun.
S is for tiger.
T.
E is for
T. Letter
tiger.
T.
Ito T is for tiger. Why? Why? What's that?
U. Letter
U
U.
is for umbrella.
Dito.
What is this?
Letter V.
Ito.
B is for
Fruit.
vegetables.
Ayan.
W.
W is for what?
What?
X is for telephone.
Lapit ka dito.
Ano yung mahirap?
Y.
Y is for
Yak.
that. T is for tree. Tree ba?
Zebra.